In this video, I will be sharing with you one of the easiest way of paying your PRC Initial Registration through Paymaya. Firstly, go to the prc.gov.ph, the official website of the PRC, and sign in your registered PRC online account. Then if you are already in your account section, just select transaction. There are multiple choices in the transaction section, but in this case, I will be going to initial registration. From here, make sure that you have your application number from NOAA or the notice of admission, as you're going to use it here. Here we go, a few more steps to go. In here, you need to select the preferred location to do your actual transaction. In my case, I select Cebu, Maine. There is an option if you're not convenient with a suggested date. Then feel free to select your convenient date based on the choices provided. After completing those, then we're ready to payment, and of course, we'll pay it through Paymaya. As you see, we will be redirecting into Paymaya website to log in on your account, then wait for the 6-digit one-time password sent to your registered number. And voila, kalas, that's it. And that's it. Go back to your menu and print the out form.